Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the top 5 Holman lawn sprinklers in 2022. Make sure you watch until the end to see which lawn sprinkler is our top pick. First on the list is the 3-arm rotating sprinkler. The 3-arm rotating sprinkler comes equipped with a heavy-duty weighted base, a feature that enhances stability. The sprinkler is perfect for use in areas that experience intense winds. It is customizable, so you can control its rotation speed and even adjust the spray angle to ensure that it covers all the relevant areas. During use, you'll notice that the sprinkler throws some rather big droplets that resist the wind and remain gentle on delicate plants. It sprinkles in a full-circle spray pattern design, enabling even water distribution. The 3-arm rotating sprinkler is ideal for individuals who own medium-sized lawns. It's made of a durable plastic material and boasts a flow rate of 400 kPa. The throw radius has been set at 6 meters and a max circular coverage of 110 meters squared. This sprinkler is pretty compact, so it will take very little storage space in your shed. Butterfly sprinkler, metal. The butterfly sprinklers are best suited for use in small lawns or tight spaces. Holman retails this type of sprinkler in different head types, and you will therefore find them in plastic, brass, and metal material. The metal butterfly sprinkler is perfect for use in areas with extreme weather. It's among the easiest sprinklers that you'll ever have to install, as you only need to screw the sprinkler onto a sprinkler base, a hose end spike, or a riser tube. And instead of using the Teflon seal tape to prevent water leakage, the butterfly sprinkler comes fully equipped with an O-ring seal. The spray radius has been set at 4 meters and 50 meters squared for maximum circular coverage. Upon use, you can be sure that the unit will resist wind and offer high-speed drops. Shaker sprinkler. The shaker sprinkler is usually adopted for use in small areas with sensitive plants. The configuration of the sprinkler allows it to throw large droplets at a gentle speed. Holman's retails the shaker sprinkler in 2 designs. There's the mini shaker spray head and the large shaker spray head. The mini shaker spray has a throw radius of 4 meters and offers up to 50 meters squared max circular coverage. The sprinkler is best utilized by small lawns and is perfect for low-pressure applications. With this spray head, you can be sure of even water distribution. The larger shaker spray has been configured to cover a 5-meter radius throw. It's ideal for small lawns and offers up to 75 meters squared maximum coverage. Solid metal traveling sprinkler. Individuals who own extra-large lawns don't have to invest in 3 or 4 sprinklers to ensure coverage. Instead, they can just invest in the solid metal traveling sprinkler that's been durably built with a heavy-duty cast-iron body. The sprinkler is self-propelled by a 2-speed gearbox, and for effectiveness when watering your garden, the sprinkler has been designed with the front wheels configured to travel the path of the garden hose and can also be placed to follow any path. Generally, the tractor has been designed to travel up to 60 meters and can water an area of up to 1,100 square meters. Large lawn owners are bound to love this unit because it propels itself and can be used with both the 12mm and 18mm garden hoses. If you wish to use the sprinkler while stationary, then you can expect it to offer a full circle coverage of 4.5 to 13.5 meters in diameter. Reclaimed water dome sprinkler. If you own a small garden bed or small lawn, then the dome sprinkler from Holman will suffice. The sprinkler is compact and light in weight, thus you can easily move it around your lawn for better coverage. The metal dome sprinkler has been durably built, and you can trust that it will counter the extreme weather conditions. The incorporated metal sprinkler has been established to have 3-meter radius, perfect for watering the entire lawn, consequently obliterating the need to implement an irrigation system. Upon purchase, the Holman's reclaimed water dome sprinkler comes equipped with a 12mm snap-on hose fitting that offers a 2-year guarantee. The throw radius has been set at 4 meters and a 50 meters squared maximum circular coverage. Which is the best one? The 3-arm rotating sprinkler is the best because it can be used in areas with intense wind conditions. Its rotation speed can be adjusted, including the spray angle, making it convenient for use on differently sized lawns. The sprinkler is additionally compact, meaning that it will occupy a small space in your shed. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.